Today we have another video showing my PVC train horns, and what I've done now is I've successfully mounted them on my golf cart, and it looks a little crappy. Well, it's not mine, it's my grandpa's, so I can't permanently mount it on there, but I have the air compressor strapped in with duct tape, and the same pressure as last time, 150 psi, as you can see. And a big change in this is my manifold. Let's get a good view of this. And all it is a 3/8 inch ball valve. It's all brass. So now I can plug it straight into the air compressor. Runs up into there without any air loss like I had last time. And I can control it, the airflow, and make the sound either go higher, lower, depending on the airflow. And all I have is, they're kind of crappily mounted, but they're strapped to a 2x4 on the roof, and they're duct taped down because this isn't my golf cart, so I can't permanently put them on. But I'm gonna give them a blow, and then I'm gonna do a run by for y'all in a minute. So let me set this. I'll just show you. And I'll show you the run by in a minute.